Hey everybody, today I just want to do a quick little demo on a free kind of open source tool available for LabVIEW that's developed by the community. So what this is the top level launcher. So this is put together by G-Central. So the GID exchange has been largely driving this, contributors from the community. There's currently regular mob programming sessions going on the Discord server every couple weeks to get the community kind of working on this. But yeah, basically what this is a tool you can use to mark a certain VI as top level in your project, and then be able to just easily run it from QuickDrop. So you can open it, run it, stuff like that. So if you're interested, you're able to download this from VIPM. So this is here on the vipm.io website. It's also, if you just open VIPM, the desktop app, you search top level, you'll find it, or just search G-Central. And right here, we actually get the instructions on how to use this. So the default QuickDrop shortcut is going to be E. So you would hit Control E to do different things. And then you're able to type in text, and I'm going to demo this if this doesn't make a ton of sense. I'll demo this. But yeah, you can set a certain VI as your top level, which basically tags it. And then you can either open it, you can run it. There's options for finding out what your top level is, removing, stuff like that. So we'll walk through kind of how you can use these. So I have a real simple project here just to kind of demo what this looks like. So I have this top level launcher demo, and this is going to be my top level VI. If you look inside, it's really simple. I've got this sub VI called generate data, which is just generating a sine wave using the sine wave function. And then I have this scale data sub VI, which is just scaling everything by 5. So really simple project. But yeah, so let's say I'm on my top level. I haven't yet marked it as top level. So what I can do is just hit Control Spacebar, and that's going to open QuickDrop. If you're curious, you can also click Configure, and this is going to show you how QuickDrop is configured. So I'm going to go to Control plus key shortcuts, and you can see that E is set to top level launcher. So hitting Control E is going to actually tell the top level launcher to do something. If you want, you can change that key as well to something else. So if you want to customize it to something else, you totally can. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it as is. So I've got QuickDrop open. I'm just going to, if you see this first instruction here, to set the top VI, enter S or set. So I'm just going to type S, or I could type set. Either one works. And then I'm going to hit Control E. And this is done. So this is now set as our top level VI. So I've tagged it. So now as I'm working on my project, I could be in various sub VIs. I could be, looking at different things, and I can just quickly open it or run it from QuickDrop. So let's say I close out of this entirely, and let's say I want to just be, maybe something weird's going on with my scaling. So I'm in this sub VI, maybe playing with it, doing some debugging, modifying the code, whatever I might be doing. Well, whenever I'm ready, I can just open QuickDrop again. And let's look at this first one, this one here. To run the top level VI, we're just going to use Control shortcut. So I'm going to hit Control E. And boom, you can see it opened my top level VI, and it's running automatically. Same thing, I can close that top level, and I can just open it without running it by using Shift Control shortcut, which is E. So let's do that. You can see I opened it, but I didn't actually run it. So that's the basic workflow. So I can easily just mark my top level VI as top level, and then quickly from QuickDrop, I can run it, open it whenever I want, regardless of where I'm working at in my project. Now on a small project like this, Maybe not all that advantageous, but on like a very large project that could have, hundreds or even thousands of VIs and classes and all sorts of stuff, it can be very advantageous. And now there also are these advanced operation functions. You can enter R to run your top level, similar to just doing the control shortcut. You can also, if I want to untag a VI as top level, all I need to do is enter either D or del delete, rem or remove in quick drop, and it will untag it. There's also, you can find out what the top level thing is just by doing this. So I can demo that real quick. So I'm going to open my quick drop, and I'm just going to type get, and then I'm going to hit Control E, and I get this. Well, there's my top level. It's marked as top level. So yeah, that's really all it is. It's pretty simple. This is actively being developed by the GID Exchange and the community. And if you have any ideas on how you can help improve this, feel free to throw those ideas out into the LabVIEW Discord. There's a channel set up specifically for this. And also there's regular mob programming sessions, so feel free to hop on one of the other ones to help contribute, to express your ideas. Also, you can find the GitLab. So from here, you can go to the homepage, and it'll take you to the repository, so you can also submit an issue here. But yeah, that's going to be the top level launcher in LabVIEW. Hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.